everyone, Piggy's Gaming here, and today we are with my grandmother, and today we are also taking care of a little baby bird. You see that? We found it in front of a house, and
we're giving it water.
Yeah, we're giving it water and food.
Mealworms.
Mealworms. Giving it that. It's recording. And the poor thing, we don't know about its age yet.
It's almost a fledgling.
That's good.
Let's see
And I have barely even lunch. Oh. And
nope. This one might be.
Hey.
Come on, sweet pea.
Eat it.
Open.
Try a smaller one. There's just another one.
He's got it in his mouth. I think he's tired. There he goes. Did you get it?
Nope. Alright. When it drinks, it's really tired. Nope,
Yeah, I'm going to put it to bed.
Alright. So everyone, this is a baby bird. And it's a robin, right?
Right.
Alright. It's
Is that better?
probably a few days old, right?
Well, it's almost a fledgling, so it's almost ready to go out of the nest.
Okay.
A couple more days, it'll be flying.
Yeah. So anyway, this was Piggy's Gaming signing out.